How to get rid of the Threads badge on Instagram. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get rid of the Threads badge on Instagram. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, let's head over to Instagram and just click on your profile right here below. Now right here you can see this icon right here, which is the Threads icon. So when you click on that, as you can see, this account of mine on Instagram is in Threads, and this temporary badge lets my followers know that I'm on Threads, and they can send them to their profile if they have the app of Threads. So if I have that icon right there and a friend has actually clicked it, then it will redirect them to my Threads, or they can search me on Threads once they see that I have it. So if you want to get rid of it, what you need to do is just click on this hide badge right here. And as you can see, this is asking us if I am sure. So I need to make sure that I want to hide it because I can add it back to my profile once I remove it. So what you need to do next is just click on this remove badge right here. And as you can see, the badge right here has been removed. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get rid of the Threads badge on Instagram. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!